So lists are super important when it comes to programming. Here's a list. Cheeses. It's a list of cheeses. Square brackets denote that it's a list. The different items in the list are separated by commas, and each item in this case is a piece of text which is a cheese. So we've just defined this as a variable. This is a list variable. Let's just print out some values from that list. So let's print out item from that list number 1. So again, square brackets, and this is called the index, the number in the list that we're going to call up. This might not give you the answer that you might be expecting. It's given us Brie. I don't know if you remember, we previously talked about for loops. Computers always start counting from 0. So actually, this is item 0. Let's prove that point. So print and cheeses, and we're going to print item 0 from the list. So we're printing item 1 first, which is Brie, and item 0 should be cheddar. Brie, cheddar. Cool, got the idea of lists.